Hi, so today we are going to talk about the recent novel that I've read, and that is Verity. It's not a novel that I'll suggest anyone to read it if you're into dark romance and if you can, if you have the tolerance for gore content, extreme level of violence, and it's a it's one of the best thriller books I have read till now. And actually, um, 75% books, till 75% book. I was saying I'm not suggesting this to anyone. Like, no, no. I don't want anyone to read this kind of stuff. But the last 25%, my literal reaction, I texted my best friend and I was like, bro, what? And she was like, okay, okay, I'll read it. Don't worry, don't worry. And I was like, now, why am I telling you this? It's like, see, whole day we spend our life in front of screen, okay, in front of laptops. And after office, after working out, after everything, eating everything, spending a few hours, okay, 1 hour at least 1 hour, spending 1 hour reading books, and that too fictional. I don't understand why. Like, I also try to motivate myself to, read these motivational goody books. But there are few books, many fictional books that are so good. And what happens when you read these books? I have read little bit of books in my life, so it just expands our, mind. Like how the level of stories a human mind can create inside its own, self, or I don't know, and portray it as real. It's crazy. And it can create these stories from by picking up the events that are literally happening around you. And it's so amazing to read novels. Like, I try and I force myself not to read books, and I try to read minimize the books. I literally try to, after office, I'll study. But there are few days when I do know where I have these cheat days when I just let myself, okay, read it. Okay, so Verity I completed within 2 days, and that is a very slow read for a book like Verity. You can read it within few hours. It's so interesting. Okay, and read Verity. Yeah? It's super interesting. Like, it's super crazy, and like it deserves that title. Its title is simple, straightforward, and okay. In general, what are books? Books have always been my, safest mode of, comfort, actually. I love reading books. I don't know why, since childhood, I had this, habit of reading books. In fact, I used to read so much that my mother had, mama had told me, okay, you can read between 11 to 11:30. And then my speed got so fast because I had just half an hour to read and then I had to sleep. And I was like, while growing up, throughout college, when I got into job and everything, it's just I forced myself, not to engage in all this because it's not related to my career. I'm in, complete different career, and I should spend my time, reading not reading, learning new things, AI and maths and everything, coding. But there is just one life, and if you like it, you literally love it. So why not I read books and I tell you what was my experience of reading that book. It's amazing. Seriously, I did not purchase Verity actually. It was on Audible I realized I had 6 credits available on Audible. So I was like, oh, before canceling the membership, I wanted to first complete those, credits. So I was like, okay, let's start with Verity. And I did not research about Verity at all. I did not know. And thank God, because I was reading like, okay, okay, ooh, ooh, ooh. But then, what? And best thing, its movie is coming on 2nd October. And I'm literally waiting. And the cast is so amazing. Before going for movie, read novels because novels are always, I have in my experience, novels are way better than movies. This was the case in Harry Potter also. Harry Potter books are far better than its movies, and I am really crazy about Harry Potter movies. I have watched them, I don't know, every time I used to open, TV, I used to watch Harry Potter only. So read books, yeah, it's super interesting. And let's see. Now I'm really excited to read my next novel. And it should be fiction. I was like, okay, I don't want to go into motivational yet. Let me read. Because fictional books you can complete like this. They are very interesting. So I don't know. Yeah. Read Verity. It's worth the read. And read it when you can, you can't just go and read also. Like, it's an 18 plus book for sure. It has, good amount of scenes. It has good amount of violence. But this is something, okay, fine, no. If you're picking a book like this, you expect this. But what you don't expect is this level of madness, this level of storytelling, and this level of twists. And the movie was left on a cliffhanger. And this is one of that cliffhanger where, as a reader, I don't mind. Like, I'm not angry at the author. Why didn't you conclude the book? And like, no, nice. It's a very, a good tease. After a book you complete, like, yeah. So I don't want to say much, but yeah, I don't want to give any spoilers also, but go for it.